Hello, I'm Sri from CBTU. Welcome to the Ethical Hacker Training course based on CEH certification program by EC Council. Module Hacking Web Applications Section Introduction. Web application or web app is a client-server program in which client runs in the web browser. Example, webmail, online store, wikis, instant messaging services, etc. Web Application Security is a branch of information security that deals specifically with the security of websites, web applications, and web services. Web Application Security draws on the principles of application security but applies them specifically to the Internet and web systems. This picture is about web application security risks. Attackers can follow different paths through your application to do harm to your business or organization. Each of these paths represents a risk that may or may not be serious enough to warrant attention. Threat agents attack vectors, security weakness, they exploit it, these security controls they break in, and the impact, it can be technical or business. Emergence of Web 2.0 increased information sharing through social networking and increasing business adoption of web as means of doing business and delivering service. Websites are often attacked directly. Hackers either seek to compromise the corporate network or the end users accessing the website by subjecting them to drive-by downloading. The majority of the web application attacks occur through cross-site scripting, SQL injection, and phishing. Web 2.0 refers to the World Wide Web websites that emphasize user-generated content, usability, and interoperability for the end users. A Web 2.0 website allows users to interact and collaborate with each other in a social media dialogue. Examples include social networking sites like Facebook, blogs, wikis, YouTube, etc. OWASP is Open Web Application Security Project. OWASP is emerging as a standards body for the web application security. It published the OWASP Top 10 on the major threats against web applications. Web Application Security Consortium (WASC) has created the Web Hacking Incident Database (WHID) and also produced open source best practice documents on the web application security. The WHID became the OWASP project in 2014. Security is based on people and processes. Some of the technical solutions for securing the web applications are black box testing tools, white box testing tools, fuzzing tools used for input testing, web application security scanner, web application firewalls (WAF), and password cracking tools. There are several ways of targeting mobile devices when making a web application. It can be responsive web design, progressive web apps, or native apps or mobile apps. Hybrid apps embed a mobile website inside a native app, possibly using a hybrid framework like Apache Cordova and Iconic or Accelerator Titanium. These are some of the technologies that are in use. The most common structure is the three-tiered application, which are presentation, application, and storage. Presentation is web browser. Application, an engine using dynamic web content technology such as ASP, JSP, PHP, etc. Database storage. The web browser sends requests to the middle tier, which services them by making queries and updates against the database. Security breaches on these kinds of applications are a major concern because it can involve both enterprise information and private customer data. The processes for authentication, authorization, asset handling, input and logging, and auditing must be included in the development process. Building security into the applications from the beginning can be more effective and less disruptive in the long run. Cloud computing model, web applications are software as a service or platform as a service provided for enterprises. Resiliency is well built in the cloud apps along with the security. We'll be covering cloud computing security in another session. Thanks for watching.